Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming along with a collab that I've joined with GLOBELAND. You guys, oh my goodness, they reached out to me a few weeks back and asked me if I wanted to do some product reviews, and of course I said yes. So I am coming along today, of course, to show you guys what I got from them. Again, this is GLOBELAND, and I will go ahead also put a coupon code. It is KATZ10, and basically this is a 10% when you place order with them. It just gives you a 10% off. You guys, their products are usually well known for, of course, you guys know, dyes, you guys. So and surprisingly, you guys, I only got one dye. Anyways, so let me go ahead and show you what I ended up receiving. Of course, they packaged everything up. There is a packing list with the items number here if you guys would love to, look over. Or if you guys have an item, you guys could always come back and refer back to this right here. And let me go ahead and show you guys what I received. I will also link everything down in the description below, as well as the product links with that coupon code. Again, you guys, if you guys don't order any of these items and you guys get something else, you please use that 10% off. It helps let them know that you guys are watching and you guys order stuff using my code. Anyways, so this is one of the items I did receive. This is 2 ribbons in one. It's a set, and oh my goodness, so I wasn't too sure when this was gonna arrive. And of course, I wanted it because of course, I'm Mexican, and I wanted to do either some bows or use this on one of my products, or my projects I meant. I'm so sorry. So I'm nervous. Oh my gosh, I haven't done videos in a while. So of course, this is their product code right here. Oh my goodness. So let me go ahead and open it. So we can fill the ribbon, and of course it does feel like ribbon, you guys. Oh my goodness, it's nice. So it's white in the back, and of course it's colors, and look at that. Oh my goodness, it reminds me so much of the sarapes. So anyway, so of course you could use this one bigger, and you could use a smaller one, and I believe it should be about the same. Let me see if I have a ruler around here so I can show you guys the size of it. Of course it is, let me see. Sorry, you guys, it's a little dirty, this is about 2 centimeters along. So there you go. So, as far as inches, it's probably about 1 inch. And yes, it is, you guys. You guys can see that it's almost 1 inch. Well, actually, it is 1 inch right there. And this one, it is about, sorry, you guys. This one is about 2.5 inches right here. So nice size. Of course, like I said, I want to make some bows, and we'll see what else would I end up making. So there you guys go. That's one. And again, here is the product item. So if you guys are interested, and like I said, I will also link them down in the description below. I also have this one right here. I did take them out. This one does have 2 rolls, and this one, of course, is ribbon. It's pink ribbon, and oh my goodness, you guys, look at how much ribbon there is right there, you guys. Look at, you guys. OMG, that is an amazing amount of ribbon. So let me see if I can open this so I can show you guys. Okay, so this is more like a, oh my goodness, I can't say the name. Oh my goodness, but it's, if you guys could see, oh my goodness, there is a sewing detail right there, you guys. Do you guys see that? Excuse my fingers, they're dry. I was working outside. So oh my goodness, this is oh my goodness, I can't remember the name of the material, but you guys can see it. It is so cute, and OMG, I can't wait to work with it. I am not planning on making bows. This is something totally different, but Love it. And look at that detail on that sewing. Oh my goodness. So of course you get 2 of those, you guys. What an amazing deal right there. OMG. And then I also received, these are the other 2 items that I received. These are separate, so they're just, you know, stuck on here. This one is, let me see, I believe it was like sticker paper. It's like a vinyl sheets. Okay, and let me show you guys. Look at the colors, and excuse if you guys see my mess, if you guys see my face. Oh, but look at that. Oh my goodness. So let me go ahead and open it. These are smaller than I had expected, and of course they're in millimeters here, but you know what, I was hoping it was not too big because I did not know what I was gonna make with this. But since these are stickers, oh my goodness, look at so you should be getting about 2 of the same product. There's different, there's about 18 pieces. There's 9 styles, so that's 1. You get the same one here. Let me just go ahead and if the reflection is too much for you guys, I do apologize. And there you go. Look at that. So of course, because of the camera, you guys see it a little bit different, but that's what it looks like when you are looking straight at it. There you go. And look at that right there, you guys. So I'm just probably going to show it to you from the side like this. And there you go as another one. That's the same. And like I said, it's 9 styles, 2 of each. So, oh my goodness, these are so cute. And there you go. Love that one. It's more like kind of like a confetti kind. That is cute. And that's that one right there. And then it's that one right there. So these one, let me turn them around so you guys don't get all that glare in your face. These measure in inches, measure about 4 by about 8 right here, you guys. There you guys go. 4 by 8. And of course they will be used for stickers and like all that that, what is it called, that oh my goodness, that little reflection, that, oh my goodness, it's like a waterproof laser decals. Oh my goodness, so yeah, I can't wait to work with it. There you go. So I did turn it around so you guys don't get all that you know, reflection in your face. And here is the other one. And of course the last one I did get dies. Of course they have so many amazing dies, you guys. Oh my goodness, I have purchased a lot of their dies through Amazon, you guys. This is the product code right here. And this is a box die. These are box dies right here. And it has, let me see, I think it's, okay. So their dies usually cut amazingly. Oh my goodness, there's so many dies with them, you know, you guys. So I wasn't sure. I believe it makes 4 different boxes. So this is one box. This, you obviously can take them out and use them either if you want to put them back in here and recut it. It's up to you how you want to do it, but this is one box right here. You guys can see that. This is another cute box. I love the scallops up here. And of course, you know, cut this out and you layer them as you would like. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. Here is another box with scallops as well. This is rectangular. And of course, you have, oh my goodness, that's so cute. It has that. It has a bow. It has, what is it called? Like a tag right here. And then it has like a little, oh my goodness, like, oh my goodness, I can't even remember the name right now. But anyways, isn't that cute? Oh my goodness, that, it's also like a tag. Anyways, so, oh my goodness, so here is part of the bow. Here is the other bow, the complete bow. So there is the bow, and this is a smaller square box with tags here, of course, and these are flags. There you go, that's what they're called. They're called flags. This is a flag as well. Of course, and then here are the little, if you want to make like, oh my gosh, like a little tag, like, so you could hang it. That's what these are for. How cute is that? So many dies in just one little package. And OMG, it's like so many items that you can make with these. Love their dies. Anyways, so yeah, let me go ahead and show you again what everything I received from them. I can't wait to work with them. Oh my goodness. And you guys, thank you for watching. We will see you guys on our next video. And of course, hopefully the next video will be a project share using their items. And I will link everything down under the description below. If you guys do choose to go over to their site, don't forget to use that coupon code. 10% goes a long way, you guys. So again, thank you, Globeland, for allowing me to showcase your products. And I can't wait to work with them. And like I said, I did not know they had ribbons, so I was so excited about that. Again, thank you guys, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.